Namaste, my fellow yogis. Welcome to this very organic teresagagno.com restore and breath practice. What is restore and breath and what is this practice all about? Well, Teresa Gagno, that's myself. Over decades of seeing what I've seen and heard what I've heard through the practice of yoga, I decided to create a yoga platform for recovery. Now, restoring breath is for everyone, especially for the tired athlete. Need to quell, need to restore, need to remind yourself that you don't have to push, renew those muscles, those joints. So you may find yourself often with lots of props, and that's one of the, well, you do want to have your props. Once you become a yogi, and you will, I'll see you in these subscriptions, using your props, laying yourself down, getting into shapes and forms that really accommodate you. It'll look like this. It's very organic, truly transparent. I am vulnerable. I am the creator of my own journey, and I celebrate yoga authentically each day on the mat with you. And note that there is 4 categories at teresagagno.com. This happens to be one of them, restore and breath. And there are, I should say English, 15 episodes per category that are updated weekly. So you always have this new batch of what is in the current moment, especially during these curious times. We practice stillness in a shape, accommodating the shape with all the props that you need to accommodate your shape, and mindfully choosing the philosophy, the attitude, and the tools to shift into the abundance and the tranquility or the reprieve, the letting go, the surrender, and how to do that with me here on the mat. I am your yoga guide, and I am here to celebrate life with you, slowing down, quelling, meeting your needs. It's up to you. Do you desire a healthier you? Then subscribe and join. And that's what this restore and breath practice is about. It's about 20 minutes or so long. Sometimes I go over the time. And it is such a lovely practice amongst the other practices. So join. Do a $7 trial for a week. I'm sure you will fall in love with yourself. Meet your needs, unconditionally loving yourself. Yoga is life. Life is yoga, and it's for every human being, shape and size. So I hope to see you in the subscriptions. It's never too late. From my light to yours, namaste. Let's get this going on. Thank you.